Hi there, welcome back to Taste the Trend. I'm Devin O'Brien and I'm going to show you how to take all the delicious flavors of a classic lobster roll and turn it into a creamy, delicious lobster roll dip. We are going to use all the ingredients you see here. It's all the flavors from a lobster roll. So let's head over to the stove and get this going. Okay, we're gonna start things off by getting a saucepan on the stove and putting it over medium heat. Throw in 2 tablespoons of butter and let that melt. Once that butter is completely melted, go ahead and add your chopped onion. Cook this, stirring occasionally until it gets nice and soft, about 4 to 6 minutes. Okay, now that our onion is nice and soft and very fragrant, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 minced garlic cloves and all of our spices. Paprika, crushed red pepper, salt, and black ground pepper. Stir until it is fragrant, about 1 minute. All right, now that our aromatics are all cooked, we're gonna go ahead and remove this from the heat. Now that we have all of our delicious aromatics cooked, we are ready to mix in our final ingredients. I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese here and I just cut it up into cubes to make it a little bit easier to stir in. And then you also want about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix that together until the cream cheese is melted and the mixture is nice and smooth. It'll take a little bit, but trust me, it's worth it. Can you see that? Nice creamy mixture, yum. Then you can add 8 ounces of cooked lobster. I just bought lobster tails and steamed them, and now I'm just stirring them into this mixture here. There, that's what it should look like. Okay, so you can use a shallow pie dish or any sort of small baking dish for this recipe. I also always like to choose something that's a little bit pretty. Press it in, smooth out the top a little, and this is going to go into a 375-degree oven just until bubbly. It'll take about 15 minutes. The dip is out of the oven and it is all warm and bubbly. I just cut up some peppers and I've got some baguette slices. I like putting it on baguette because it gives it that classic lobster roll feel. Oh my gosh, there's really nice kick of heat in there from that crushed red pepper. This is so easy and so delicious. You have to try it. If you make this lobster roll dip, take a picture of it and tag me on Instagram. And please comment below and let me know what you want to see me make next.